Why does my credit score vary between different credit bureaus? Now, the answer can be for a couple of reasons. First of all, you have to understand that the credit reporting bodies, such as Equifax, Illion, and Experian, are three separate companies that have nothing to do with each other. They don't share information with each other, and they don't collate data together. This is the main reason why there are differences. Now, if you think about it, it's good to have three separate entities. Otherwise, you would only have one credit score, and we have three, and you get to choose that mid score, so it gives you the benefit of the doubt. Another reason that the credit score will differ amongst the three credit bureaus is that they have different scoring models that are used. They're slightly different as they take into account the same facts, same late payments, same credit history, even the balance of credit ratios, but they compute them differently. So for that reason, you're going to have some deviation in the credit scores amongst the three credit bureaus. Credit reporting also varies between credit bureaus, as they don't all receive the exact same information, which is why they are different. There's very few accounts that are actually required to be reported to all three credit bureaus, usually being mortgages. Therefore, you often, for example, see a utility default listed on one credit bureau's reports and not on the other. Beyond that, you may go to your bank to, for example, get a car loan that only reports to one credit bureau and not the others. So because of this, you're going to have a difference in your credit score, because really, you're having information reported to one or perhaps two of the bureaus, but not the second or third one. Retrospectively, the same may go for positive credit reporting, where you are trying to build upon it, but it may only be reported to one credit bureau in particular. A lot of collection companies are only reporting to one credit bureau, because you have to understand, for a creditor to report to the credit bureaus, it does cost them money. So if they don't want to pay to report to all three bureaus, they don't have to. They may report a collection to, for example, Equifax, so your Equifax score is much lower than your Illion and Experian. So if you are intending to apply for finance, then it is wise to check your credit report across all three Australian credit bureaus. We can assist you to obtain the correct report and determine if any adverse entries, such as defaults, judgments, can be removed. And if you have a low credit score, to see if it can be increased by providing a no obligation upfront legal analysis. If you found this video beneficial, be sure to leave a like and follow our page. For further questions, leave a comment or reach out to us via direct message.